I believe I'm filming.
You see the picture?
Yes, I see the picture.
There's a red dot.
Yes, there's a red dot.
Okay, then we're filming.
We are filming.
We're filming. Hey, welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So, on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner today, we're doing a field trip to Jungle Gyms.
Woohoo!
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Jungle Gym Drive.
Ooh, we're almost at Jungle Gym Drive. So, I don't know what to expect. So, I read online that it's 200,000 square feet of a supermarket. It's amazing.
International supermarket.
Yes, it's an international supermarket. And I heard they have trams. It's amazing. It's amazing, people. So, we're 2 minutes from it. There's a tram. You see the tram on the left?
There we go.
Take the next left onto Jungle Gym Drive, then turn right.
So here's Jungle Gym Drive.
Is there a way to zoom in on the sign?
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, alright. I just thought I'd try. I'm trying to be a good camera woman for you.
Here we go.
Take the next right, then turn left.
Okay. Jim's Foodie Land. Woo! So excited. Now my heart is beating triple time.
Take the next right, then turn right.
Take the next right, then turn right. Okay. I think we're done with you. Thank you. I can't get it to turn off. Oh, you're just gonna jump out so you can find a spot first, huh? Oh, there's a spot. Missed it. These people are really shopping here.
Really?
Did you bring a grocery list?
No.
Did I? I didn't bring a grocery list. Where are we going? Do you want a white? Welcome to Jungle Gym. My boys are They got white Hawaiian punch. And green, and blue, and orange, and pink. The blue, the orange. They have an olive bar. Get your own olives. Variety pack cheese balls. Ooh. You know, like an olive cheese ball, white cheddar cheese ball. Caramelized onion cheddar cheese ball. White cheddar cheese ball. Yeah. French beer cheese ball.
Oh, this is cheese ball heaven.
Isn't that cool?
It is. I smell cheese.
No.
Look at all this cheese. Do you like blue cheese?
Only in my salad dressing.
Hello.
Yes, they do.
They got Marilyn Monroe over there.
Yeah. Sebastian trying. Oh, that looks like a Coca-Cola bear.
I know, right?
I can just see Sebastian trying to play with one of those.
Indoor porta potties.
My mother and I used to share these also. And these.
They got giant gummy snakes, pizzas,
Beeman's gum.
ooh,
Daddy loved blackjack gum.
how much is that? I'm gonna get some of this for my mom. They have Jungle Gym in jelly beans. A jelly bean jungle gym. Look at all these flavors. They got all the cola flavors here. The daiquiris, champagne. These are the sodas. Krispy Kreme. I have a French bakery. Macarons. This is so cool. They got dog treats. Oh look, exotic meats from around the world. Around the world, around the world. Ooh, turkey, that's exotic. Okay, they got quail. That's a little bit exotic. Not exotic for me. We raise quail. Turkey, calf liver. They got duck. Ground duck. Oh, they got alligator hot dogs or sausage. They got alligator sausage. Wild boar bacon.
boneless elk.
Ooh, elk, venison, ground
Bison.
elk.
I think I'm done.
They got sirloin alligator meat.
I'm done.
They got shrimp. Venison patties, venison stir fry, buffalo. Yep, produce. You know, I've been doing some research about, you know, organics versus other types of fruits and vegetables.
Organics versus normal.
Yeah.
And the
I was
difference
also-
is, besides the sticker and the high price, is
Well, the type of pesticides they use. Because just because it's organic doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that it's pesticide free. This is neat.
can you freeze like peppers and onions?
I do that all the time. You want to try one?
Sure.
I think I got the biggest one. Oh, it's good. So what they were saying in my research is that to remove some of the pesticides, and in some cases you can remove all of it by simply soaking it in a solution of soda water. Like you take some
Baking soda?
yeah, baking soda, add it to water, and let it soak for about 15 minutes, and it's supposed to take all the pesticides out.
Is that for both organic and normal?
So, what they say. Look,
What?
it's a cereal bowl band.
Oh, cool.
What is that, ants?
Yeah.
Oh, creepy.
I don't think they're real. You gotta
Yes, they're real.
Oh.
Look, they have ant waffles. They got crickets. They got worms. Where you going, Mare? You get scared? What is this? What the heck are these? We'll put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Look, they got white coconuts. They got brown coconuts. They got green coconuts. They got bananas. They got jicama. They got these weird looking green things. Oh, they got banana leaves. Baby green mangoes. Look at this, breadfruit. That's odd.
It kind of takes the international out of it when they say Florida Thai eggplant,
Well, they let people know where it's
Florida
from.
Indian eggplant. But still, it takes the international out. Seriously, Mexico Indian?
Oh, that's pretty. Oh look, they got banana blossoms. Banana flower. They have lemongrass and horseradish. Quinoa. Oh, there's the quinoa. Aloe vera.
Jellies.
Honeys. Mango. Oh, look, lemon curd. No, that's honey. Creamy country honey. We can't miss the hot sauce area. They have adult-oriented hot sauces.
Adult-oriented hot sauce. Remember this guy?
Bob Roos.
Yes, Bob Ross.
Yep. Oh, look, the Tortuga rum cake. This stuff's so good. Oh, sorry. Tortuga. Okay, for some reason, Mary's like freaking out over this Lake Champlain chocolate.
It's awesome chocolate. Oh, it's just, oh.
This looks interesting.
This is also awesome chocolate. So, Lake Champlain and Seattle Chocolate are two of the best chocolates that my district managers from the Washington, D.C. market have sent me because I am their awesome biller.
The girl loves her chocolate. What the heck is this? Okay, and then they have a gluten-free section. 1 aisle, 2 aisles, 3 aisles, 4 aisles, 5 aisles of gluten-free foods. They have gluten-free cakes, cookies, frosting, marshmallows, tortilla chips, ice cream cones. So all this is gluten-free.